right, we're back here in the arena in San Juan for the women's volleyball action here in the UAAP Season 74. We've got an exciting doubleheader for you today. Of course, match on hand is UE going up against Adamson. And later on, it's going to be an exciting one between De La Salle and FEU, two championship teams going at each other later on today.
Pineda. Haven't heard from her in the first part of this second set. Nebrida launches. Great block by Guevara and Kinlog.
Nebrida is having a difficult time over at that end. Look at that. This time she decides to bring it into the block. Kasi yung dalawa niyang attempt avoiding the block, it just went outside. So this time went into the block. Still got the same result.
Makatuno chases that one. Back set to Kinlog. The dive by Bulan, the diving dig. Nebrida, mataas. Nahuli na Adamson. Pineda, off speed and a donut hole in that defense of UE. Alam mo, for those who are learning the sport or watching it for the very first time, may silip muna yan. Ha?
Yeah.
Kung ikaw yung attacker, ano?
That's true. May basa yan.
Correct.
No, isa-survey mo na muna yung depensa ng kalaban. If you see that there's a huge opening in the middle, you still go up the same way.
Yes.
Todo buelo, yung approach mo pare-pareho, but last second, you hit it softly and you end up with that point, hitting it off speed.
At yun yung nasasabing yung mga paa, nasa putek. Hindi na gumalaw yung mga paa ng mga taga-UE. 7 serving 10. Yan po ang ating official score.
Yes.
Dito sa arena. Cross court. Pineda with a one hand. Pineda again off speed. This time Dizon was there. Nebrida again checked at the net, and Guevara looks at that ball as it drops down on the floor.
Well, she's read very well by the defense of Kinlog. Guevara, that tandem has given Nebrida headaches here in this set.
Yes. Nababasa siya ng
Oo. Natatapatan yung mga palo niya. Now Kinlog is up to serve.
Oh, great serve. And look at Rosale. Parang hirap to go down even, ano?
When I saw her in the previous exchanges, I really thought that she had an injury because her movement was a bit guarded.
Correct. Limited.
Oh.
Hirap siyang yumuko.
That's true. So,
And the off-season has been, kind to her, I guess. Ayun na naman, parang sinasadya.
Hindi mahirap gawin yun.
Naranadya ka na, ha?
Walang ganyanan.
Yun ang sabi ni Coach Boy, ha?
Walang ganyanan.
13 serving 7. Let's listen in to Coach Boy Dalistan.
Para nakikita mo kung saan dumadaan ang bola. Hindi mo binibigyan si Kite, kaya hindi binabantayan, nababaliwala si Kite rito. Automatic, ang blocker nila pupunta rito, abangan si Sisa. Gano'ng kalaki si Sisa? Napakaliit na. Paggalawin mo yung spiker natin, kung di kaya kunin dito, dalhin mo rito. Para abangan. Hindi na, baliwala si Kite sa harapan.
Boy, Ian, times have changed for UE. Na dati, si Kite yung kaisa-isa nga lang minsan babantayan mo sa UE. Ngayon, hindi na siya binabantayan ng mga...
That's true. And in fact, sabi nga, pagtrabahuin mo naman din si Kite and make sure that Kite gets her touches.
Yes.
And Kinlog going back to her. Oh!
After 2 net the serves, sharp serves that have worked for her, she overcompensates. Coach Manny, sabi, bawi.
I can psychologize what was going through her brain. Sabi niya, pangalawang buhay na, I mean, second chance na ibinay sa akin, I'm gonna make sure this one doesn't touch the net.
Oh, third opportunity. Guevara, checked. Pineda goes cross-court and again sails wide. Walang, tsaka walang flick nung wrist.
Correct.
Patay na patay yung bola.
Diretso lang, di bumaba. No spin on the ball. The power was there, obviously.
Yes, as always. Again, those are the intricacies of this game. Quick set. Oh, miscommunication. That was supposed to be for Rosale in the middle, right, Ian?
That's right. it was a good save from Martinez. Look at that.
Iikot siya, back set eh. Parang magra-running.
Magra-running because we've seen her do that, you know, and we normally see her do that. And now,
Iupo muna ni Coach Boy si Masangkay. That is just to relax her, to let her see the floor. Ponon is now going to set.
Ang sinasabi nga ni Coach Boy, nakita mo nang tumatakbo sa gilid mo pa, ano eh. So, alam mo doon napupunta
Ayun,
yun.
parang yun dapat gagawin. But the elevation is just not the same for Kite right now.
Yeah, that's true.
This girl, so tiny, but she packs a punch with that kill of hers. Dinig na dinig mo.
Lakas.
If you're here at the arena, you'll know what we're talking about. And sometimes you don't appreciate it on TV. We thank you for watching it, but we also invite you to come over to the arena and check us out. And see what it's all about. How athletic these women are. And now, it is 15 serving 10. This is the biggest lead for Adamson. And the last two sets is Ponon. Goes to Bulan. Ganda nun ha. Napeke sila.
Yes. They were really concentrating on this end, their offense over at the left end. Now they're really focusing on the right, so medyo naiba yung opensa nila. And obviously hindi pa naka-adjust yung Adamson.
Vasquez. Zapanta's back. Great dig by Rosale from the back line. Makatulo in the middle.
Outside, that's outside. There's a touch. There's a net.
Coach Boy again. Livid. We have to have a separate camera for Coach Boy. Back in a moment. 16-11.